Hello, today's video is a mini haul fragrance unboxing video. I have a few boxes that I have accumulated during these past few months and I haven't opened them, and I wanna open them today before the holidays. We are very close to the holiday time, close to Thanksgiving and close to Christmas and New Year's. And let's open and see what is in here. I know it's a fragrance, but let's see what fragrance is this one. There you go. Ooh, oh, I know now. Well, I ordered this fragrance from Montale because I couldn't find it anywhere. I've been wanting this fragrance for long time now. This is a Montale Arabian Stonka, and I ordered it from the Montale website. I don't know if they have their fulfillment center here in the US. Yeah, because it says fulfillment center, Hannock Street, Inglewood, New Jersey. So they have an office here in the USA. Maybe it's one of the offices in New Jersey. And that's nice. That's why it came a little fast. And I couldn't find this fragrance Arabian Stonka anywhere. And I don't know if I'm going to spray this today or I'm probably gonna do a first impression video later, because in another day, because I ordered this fragrance especially for this time of the year. I really want to smell it. It caught my attention, the horse, and it's also because it's called Arabian Stonka. And the notes caught my attention, so I decided to order. I look for it everywhere here in the USA, and all the websites that I know where they sell fragrances, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so I ordered directly from their website. And for the purchase of this Arabian Stonka, they gifted me a travel size. Let me see what travel size it is. Look at this little bottle, how cute. So this little cutie is amber and spices. I don't know how this amber and spices smells like. I don't know if it's unisex, or maybe, yeah, they say almost all of them are unisex, but I don't know. I'm not gonna spray it right now because I'm going to open the other boxes, but I will be bringing you a first impression and unboxing of this soon, because I wanna wear this fragrance by this fall and winter 2022. Before I go to the next box, I wanna tell you quickly the notes about Arabian Stonka. This is from Montale. Montale is a niche fragrance house from France, and this one has notes of bergamot, saffron, Bulgarian rose, oud, amber, okmos, tonka bean, cane sugar, wow, and white musk. The white musk is not my favorite note, but I'm going to smell and try this and see if I like it. White musk on me usually ends like or dries down like a laundry. Fresh, dry laundry, and I really don't like that smell on my perfumes. I like it on my clothes, but not on my fragrances. But I'm going to smell it, and I'm gonna tell you later on in another video how I like this fragrance, because I'm planning to do a first impression video on this. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed so you don't miss it. Okay, the next box is from, I don't know, it doesn't say, it only say it's from Hartman Road, Georgia. Let's open it. Oh, I remember, this is from Fragrance Net, I think. Let me see. Yeah, This is from Fragrance Net. I ordered this fragrance that I've been looking for quite some time. This is Lancôme Trésor à la Folie. I've been wanting to try this fragrance. This is from a the designer house of Lancôme. I'm not French, so I don't know how to pronounce Lancôme. Lancôme. No, I don't know. Lancôme to me. This is La Nuit Trésor à la Folie from Lancôme. I ordered this from Fragrance Net, and they always add a little surprise. This is exceptional because you are sample fragrance, and they're called coupons. So this is from Fragrance Net. I ordered this fragrance from Fragrance Net because this is already, I think, discontinued. I don't know why this fragrance is discontinued. Everybody talk a lot about the fragrance, that this is a very good fragrance. And this was, as I'm looking here at the this Fragrantica website, it says this was launched in 2018, so it's not that old. And people like it. I don't know why it's discontinued. And according to Fragrantica, this fragrance has the following notes: red currant, pink pepper, pear, bergamot, damask rose, violet, peony, jasmine. This is a fruity floral fragrance. And in the base, it has bourbon vanilla, tonka bean, benzoin, nutmeg, ambroxan, patchouli, and woody notes. That's according to their website. That's according to Fragrantica website. But we'll see and smell it because this is very popular and a lot of people like it. So that's why I don't understand why is discontinued. I had to order it from Fragrance Net because it's only available at certain discounter places. Like it's on Fragrance Net, it's also on Fragrance X, and I don't remember where else. But I usually order fragrances from Fragrance Net, so that's why I ordered it from them. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be opening this today, probably yes. But let's open the other boxes. I ordered this fragrance from Amazon, and it was a mistake I made. And I'm still not sure if I want to return it or if I'm going to keep it. I ordered it by mistake. And this is another fragrance from Lancôme. Lancôme. And this is La Nuit Trésor de Parfum. This fragrance is not discontinued. You can find this fragrance at the, I think everywhere right now. I think you can find it at their website, the Lancôme website, or in the mall. I think this is not discontinued. The one that is discontinued is La Nuit Trésor à la Folie, and this is La Nuit Trésor. The mistake I made was I was looking to buy this fragrance because this is the one I wanted, La Nuit Trésor à la Folie, and when I was looking on Google, it gave me the fragrance was available on Amazon, and yes, this à la Folie was available on Amazon. But instead of, well, I saw this one and I thought that I put this one in the cart, but in reality, what I put in the cart was La Nuit Trésor, just La Nuit Trésor. I was 100% that I was ordering La Nuit Trésor à la Folie. So I went to Amazon to my account and I wanted to cancel the order, and I couldn't cancel the order because they say it was too late. Even though I checked the email immediately, and then I went back and canceled the order as soon as I discovered that I ordered the wrong fragrance. So I ordered this fragrance by mistake. La Nuit Trésor was a mistake. If it's shipped and sold by Amazon, I trust a little bit more. And this was shipped and sold by Amazon, not by a third party. So that's why I'm thinking maybe it is the real thing, because it was sold and also shipped by Amazon. And since I never smell any of these two fragrances, so I really don't know how they smell. So I am trusting Amazon today if I decide to keep it. La Nuit Tresor à la Folie, I ordered it from Fragrance Net. And I do trust Fragrance Net, they do sell original things. But this I ordered from Amazon, so I'm gonna take a chance and see if this is the original. I don't know if I still can send it back if after I smell it. I don't know, I'm gonna try. I don't see any return paper. I think I'm gonna have to go back into my Amazon account and see the policy under fragrances and see if it doesn't smell good to me. I don't know if I can still return it to Amazon. Amazon is like, you have to take the risk, but if it's sold and shipped by Amazon, I think we can trust a little bit more. Okay, now let's open this next box, and this box is from Neiman Marcus, and I remember that I ordered this fragrance a few months ago. If I don't like something about this product, I have to keep it because I ordered it since, let me see. Let me see, the date must be, yeah, this is from July. So, ooh, I remember now, and I remember why I ordered this product. It's because they notified me that this company was going to raise the prices on their product. So I went go ahead and order one before the price increased. And this time I ordered this beautiful fragrance called the Harmonist Hypnotizing Fire. I wanted to order this because they were going to increase the prices, and I had a gift card from this Neiman Marcus, and I was thinking I need to use my gift card and order this fragrance before the price increase or the increase in prices. And Hypnotizing Fire is one of the fragrances I had in my list. And this one you cannot find them discounted in other places. So we need to take advantage of coupons and also gift cards. Fragrance is kind of smoky and woody fragrance. Is more unisex than feminine, but it's very sexy, smoky, warm. I would say it's more hot than warm, and I really, really, really love this fragrance. I have gone through probably 3 samples that they gave me at Neiman Marcus when I went to last year. I went by the end of the year of 2021 when they had promotions in December, and they gave me a bunch of samples, and they gave me like 3 samples of Hypnotizing Fire, and I used them all when it was very cold. So I positively can say that this fragrance works wonderful in wintertime. They also gave me or sent me this sample from the new fragrance Gin Transformation. And for what I heard about this fragrance, Gin Transformation is like an aquatic fragrance. I don't think I'm gonna get it, but I'm gonna try the sample. I don't know. And they also sent me a few samples here, like, I don't know, let's see. Maybe skincare. I love skincare. This is a sample of a lipstick. A night cream sample from Revive. This is, I think, I don't know, maybe a facial cream. And another cream from Chantecaille. This is for the body. I'm not gonna open this now because I just wanna have it and save it for my personal collection. I'm going to open one of these fragrances. You tell me, should I open La Nuit Tresor à la Folie, or should I open La Nuit Tresor, just La Nuit Tresor? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna open this one because I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep La Nuit Tresor, and I don't wanna open it in case I send it back to Amazon. So I'm gonna open La Nuit Tresor right now, and I'm gonna smell it for the first time. I hope it's as good as they say. I'm afraid it's gonna fall. No. Do you see this? Wow, this is big. This is 2.5 eau de parfum, and this is an eau de parfum 2.5 fluid ounces. This is like a diamond. You see? And this is how it looks like. It's like a big old diamond. It's a lot. It has 2.5 fluid ounces, and this is an eau de parfum 75 ml. The cap is plastic. It's plastic, and the container is glass. Let's spray it and see how it smells like. Smells very fruity. Smells good. Smells like a designer fragrance. It has that mass appealing touch in it. And I really like it because it's very different from the original Tresor. The original Tresor is very rich and it's a very delicious fragrance, but I don't want to have it in my collection anymore. But this is different. I'm not gonna say too much more about this fragrance because I wanted to see how good this smell like. So far I like it, but I have to wear it in my entire body so I can tell you exactly how I like it. I'm gonna be comparing this with the regular La Nuit Tresor in another video, then I can tell you more about it. Right now I can just tell you this fragrance smells good. It has that mass appealing touch of a designer fragrance, but and this is my second fragrance, and this is my third fragrance from Lancôme. So I don't know if I will be adding more. I don't think so. But I like it, and I wanted to have this in my collection because it's already discontinued, so I don't know if we're gonna get it again. And if you've been thinking about getting it now online, because if it's discontinued and if it's still available at discounted places, soon it will be out of stock everywhere. And that's it for this video. I will see you next time. Bye.